Connect Plus, Primary 3, Unit 4, Part 1, Students' Book, Term 1. Unit 4, In the Wild. 1. Look, listen, and read.
It was great at the wildlife park yesterday, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. I loved seeing the chimpanzees.
I thought the sloth was great. It moved very slowly.
Let's look on the wildlife park webcam. We might see it again.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Page 53, Exercise 2. Look, listen, and write. Use the words in the yellow box. 1. Fennec fox. Fennec fox. 2.
Sea lion. Sea lion.
3. Cobra. Cobra. 4.
Sloth. Sloth.
5. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. 6.
Macaw. Macaw.
7. Spider monkey. Spider monkey. 8.
Cheetah. Cheetah.
Exercise 3. Ask and answer. What is number 5?
It's a chimpanzee.
Now you play and ask your friend. Exercise 4. Play guess the animal. I went to the wildlife park and I saw an animal. It was small. It had a tail.
Was it a spider monkey?
No, it had big ears.
Was it a fennec fox?
Yes, it was. You can do the same and play with your friend. Guess the animal. Page 54, Animal Behavior. Exercise 1, listen and read. 1. When we visit a wildlife park, we can learn how animals behave by watching what they do. In wildlife parks, animals live in places which are close to their natural habitat. But how do animals behave in the wild? Animals live in habitats where they can get food and water and live safely. Animals take shelters so that they can stay warm, be safe from other animals, and protect their families. 2. Lots of birds build nests in trees. They use grass, sticks, and leaves. 3. Other birds such as owls live in holes in trees. They don't make holes, they find them. 4. Foxes and rabbits dig burrows in the ground. They can take shelter here. They dig in earth or sand. 5. Crayfish live in rivers. They hide under rocks in the daytime and come out to find food at night. 6. Lions and cheetahs hunt other animals to eat. Sometimes it's difficult to get food. 7. Penguins gather in a large group called a colony. To keep warm, thousands of penguins can live together. Exercise 2. Read and complete. 1. Some birds build nests in trees. 2. Owls live in holes in trees. 3. Rabbits and foxes dig burrows to live in. They take shelter in them. 4. Crayfish hide under rocks in rivers. 5. Lions and cheetahs hunt and chase other animals. 6. Penguins gather in a colony to keep warm. Exercise 3. Find out, what do these animals do? Write and circle. Squirrels dig a burrow or live in a hole? They live in a hole. 2. Moles dig a burrow too. 3. Turtles hide under rocks. Page 55, Exercise 1, listen, read, and say. Welcome to the animal show. Look, what do you know about this animal? What do elephants eat?
They're very big, but I don't think they eat meat. I think they might eat grass.
Correct. Okay, next. Is this elephant the biggest animal in the world?
No, I don't think it is. I think blue whales might be the biggest animals in the world.
Correct again. Last question. Elephants can swim, true or false?
Well, they don't live near the sea, so I think they might not be able to swim.
That's incorrect. Elephants can swim in rivers very well. Exercise 2. Look at the picture and write sentences with might not. It's about cobra. 1. It might live in Africa.
Yes, it does.
2. It might climb trees.
Yes, it does.
3. It might eat grass.
No, it doesn't.
4. It might swim in rivers.
Yes, it does.
5. It might build a nest.
No, it doesn't.
Exercise 3. Read your answers again and work with your friend to check. Exercise 4. Look and guess. How many eggs do you think there might be?
5.
What do you think the bird might eat?
Insects.
How long do you think the bird might stay on the nest?
8 hours.
What might happen next?
It might fly away and get food for her babies.
Nice answer. Now you can do the same with your friend. Page 56. Understanding different habitats. Look, listen, and write. Use words in the yellow box. 1.
Rainforest.
2.
Wetland.
3.
Polar habitat.
4.
Grassland.
5.
Desert.
Exercise 2. Read and think. Where do these animals live? Write polar, wetland, or rainforest. A habitat is a place with a particular kind of climate and landscape. There are different habitats all over the world. They have different animals, plants, and non-living things. Compare these 3 habitats.
In a polar habitat, there is snow and ice, and everything looks white. There aren't any trees, and the plants are small. Animals can take shelter in burrows.
There are rainforests in warm, tropical parts of the world. Lots of animals here live in the trees, and they eat leaves and fruit. It is hot and wet, and the trees grow lots of fruit.
A wetland can be wet all the time. Wetlands can be near the sea or near a river. A swamp is a wetland where there are lots of trees. The tree roots can be in the water, and animals hide in them.
Now you will decide which habitat is the following animal. Number 1. An Arctic fox is white. It digs burrows in the ground.
Polar habitat.
2. A spider monkey eats fruit and lives in trees.
Rainforest.
3. Crayfish often live in dark, warm water and take shelter in tree roots.
Wetland.
4. Macaws have beautiful colored feathers and they eat fruit and leaves.
Rainforest.
5. Wolves have light color fur. They eat rabbits and other animals that live on the ground.
Polar habitat.
6. Turtles eat plants and animals in the water and on land.
Wetland.
Exercise 3. Now listen and check your answers. Thank you for listening watching this video. متنسوش تعملوا لنا subscribe و like and share عشان غيرك يستفيد. وفي links الفيسبوك والانستجرام under the video. متنسوش تشوفوا part 2 لنفس اليونت. See you soon. Bye.